Hi, I'm Sarita. Let's make some veggie tots. Half head of cauliflower, a fourth cup of green onions minced, 1 egg, a half cup of breadcrumbs, a fourth cup of reduced fat cheddar cheese shredded, a fourth teaspoon of garlic powder, half teaspoon of salt, 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper. Preheat the oven 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Wash hands with soap and water. Gently rub produce under cool running water. Grate cauliflower or process in a food processor until it is small pieces. Mix rice cauliflower and remaining ingredients together in a medium-sized mixing bowl. Spray a cookie sheet. Form cauliflower mixture into small balls or logs and place on a cookie sheet. And there you have it, delicious, tasty veggie tots.
Eat, Move, Save.